is K?
K,
Mm.
L,
Mm.
M,
Very good.
N, O, P, Q,
Okay.
R,
Very good. S. Where is S? S.
S,
Mm.
T,
Mm.
U,
Mm.
V,
Mm. W.
W,
X. Where is X?
X,
Mm.
Y,
Wow.
Z.
Very good. High five. Now you are going to write your name. Yusuf. Write this. Which letter is the Y?
Y,
Which is the next letter? Oh, yeah, very good.
U,
Yes, wonderful.
S,
Superb.
I,
Yes. Which is the next letter?